Come along, it's time to see where our food comes from. Way! From the farm to the table we go. Let's sing and dance, nice and slow. The cow goes moo, we get some milk, creamy and white, smooth as silk. The chicken clucks, lays eggs so round, collect them gently from the ground. Clods grow deep in the earth, crunchy and orange, full of worth. Tomatoes ripen in the sun, juicy and sweet, oh what fun! Farm to table, come and see. Food is healthy, tasty, free. Eat it fresh, eat it bright. Yummy bites all day and night. Apples hang upon the tree, red and shiny, come with me. Wheat grows tall, then turns to bread. Slice it up, it's warm in bed. Butter from the cow, so sweet. Spread it gently on your treat. Honey from the bees we pour. Drizzle it on, we want some more. Farm to table, come and see. Food is healthy, tasty, free. Eat it fresh, eat it bright. Yummy bites all day and night. Moo, cluck, crunch, drip, pour. Food from the farm we all adore. Sing and clap, let's celebrate. Farm to table, isn't it great?